Today we're going to be talking about freezing point of salt water, sugar water, and plain water. So a freezing point is when a liquid becomes into solid. In this experiment, we're going to be putting 1 tablespoon of salt into water and another tablespoon of sugar into one water, and the other water we're just going to leave it plain. And we have labels on the cups to tell if it's salt, sugar, and plain. First, I'm going to start with sugar because I like sugar the most. I'm going to dump everything into this water, all the sugar into this water. And this is already measured 1 tablespoon. All the salt into this water. Now let's mix it and make it a solution. We're done mixing this. We're going to now start mixing the sugar water. The physical property I'm observing in the salt water is that the color is changing. In the sugar water, well, it's not that much. It's when I mix it completely, it'll kind of change the color. And in the plain water, I just see it normal. And whenever I mix it, it looks like it's a tornado or a hurricane happening. We're gonna put the thermometer and measure the temperature. So for this, it says 63 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna write that here. And also you can put B for before. 63 degrees. $61. So the next one I will do, I'm gonna put these ones in the freezer for at least like 30 minutes to 2 hours and see which one will freeze faster. So we waited for 2.5 hours, and the plain water has been frozen fully. You can even feel it. So this crystals in the sugar water, you can see right here. It's not completely that frozen, but it makes the job well done. So in this one, it bears 2.5 hours, and look, it's not even halfway there to be frozen. Whereas sugar water is halfway there. So the plain water temperature, we might have to do a crack. Okay, so now we got 32. It's not completely frozen, but it's 32. Now we're gonna go to the salt. Wow, it's 21. So it's 21, it's not even frozen, and it's somehow colder than this one. So in this experiment, we can conclude that water can freeze faster than sugar water and salt water, because sugar water and salt water, there's particles that makes it harder for them to freeze. So it needs more energy to separate particles from the water so the water can freeze. That's why it requires more colder temperature. So this is sugar water, and you can see crystals right here. And it's not completely frozen. Salt water is not even frozen. You cannot even see crystals. This is the plain water. It's hard and frozen. You can see right here. You know what? I'm gonna prank my brother. Say, here, this is like ice cold water. Let me just give it to you. First, I'm gonna have to remove this label.